Hello guys, I'm Kartik Prasad from Bharatiya Pvt College of Engineering, currently pursuing BTech in third year with EC branch. So Skill Riser really helped me coming from zero technical background in coding. Plus our mentor Sir Amit Srivastav, he's a really great guy, a humble guy. Plus he helped me a lot because the way that he talks to each and every student is pretty good, and he makes you understand the topic in very simple language, very complex topics in very simple languages. Plus our training period was a pretty good time. We had 3 to 4 hours of coding lessons every day, and it really helped every single one of our group members to make a project. Currently we made around 4 to 5 projects using MERN stack, which Amit sir taught us, and the website Skill Riser also helped you a lot because firstly the things that you get taught in the class you can revise it जब आप घर जाओगे फिर आपको अगले दिन का भी टॉपिक आप पहले से पढ़ के आ सकते हो फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग सो दैट इज अ वेरी very huge plus point while getting my training done here, so thank you so much.